Introducing our new AR Blue Clean Pressure Washer, the Blue Maxx 3000. This powerful electric pressure washer is built to last, with an induction motor creating up to 3,000 PSI. This is a great tool for washing your car or keeping decks and fences looking like new, and strong enough to clean your driveway. AR Blue Clean has been making pressure washers for over 60 years. All you need to do is hook up a regular garden hose to the all-metal garden hose adapter. Attach the super soft high-pressure hose to the easy-to-squeeze gun with M22 connection. Turn the switch and pull the trigger. It's that easy. The quiet AR Blue Clean Blue Maxx 3000 was designed to maximize variety for a professional user. Onboard storage keeps the accessories close. The Quick Connect nozzles can be switched out in seconds. Use the included Quick Connect foam cannon to blanket your car and suds, and swap in the turbo nozzle for top pressure over a large area. You can easily upgrade your power washers to make your jobs even easier, and an extension lance helps you reach further. A foamer will apply soap quickly and easily for a faster cleaning experience, or snap on a surface cleaner perfect for wide, flat spaces. Featuring a thermal relief valve to keep the pump operating in a safe temperature range to prevent overheating. When the system is in bypass mode, the thermal relief valve opens to release hot water. The AR Blue Clean Blue Maxx 3000 is top quality. We mean it. We offer a 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. Our customer service team in Minnesota is available to help with any questions. Blue Maxx 3000 is powerful, quiet, and easy to use. With the AR Blue Clean's Blue Maxx 3000, dirt doesn't stand a chance.